One of the hidden gems in the heart of Bangkok.
When my friends ask me, Sean, what should I do this afternoon? I always recommend this place, and it's free for you to explore.
You will have a good time here. To friends from Thailand.
We are here in the capital city of Bangkok, where things been changed rapidly in the past few decades. But this is the neighborhood with all the big high-rise buildings and all the major shopping malls. We here at BTS National Stadium Station.
And there is an old wooden house that has been kept perfectly and has been built for 65 years. And this style of house is a style that the old Thai people used to build their house, but right now you can barely find it anyway. I think Bangkok is not possible, and maybe the suburbs you can find like a little.
Yeah. When my friend asks, hey Sean, what should I do this afternoon? I always recommend them this place because it's just easy for you to come, right? Just exit 1 from National Stadium Station and 5-minute walk. You get to see, I would say, 3 or 4 or even 5 in one experience.
Yep.
You're about to see right now. It should take you less than 5 minutes from the BTS station. When I recommend this place to friends, they're most likely to come because it's very easy, right? Just in downtown Bangkok, right? And ladies and gentlemen, let me proudly present you Jim Thompson house. Alright, the moment you walk in, you can see that it's quite popular among tourists. I want to point out for you this first, right? This in Thai would be Saan Phra Phum, or the spirit house. We believe that it will protect the properties and the people living in it. Thais worship them with flowers, incense stick, and sometimes with cold drink, especially red Fanta. One thing to note is that if you look online on the internet and everything, right, the entrance fee of this Jim Thompson is 200 baht. You can buy the ticket over here. But you know, if you're just going to explore the areas, you don't need the ticket, so you don't have to pay.
And you guys know what? At this place they have afternoon tea, and we are gonna go do that before we go explore this area.
Yeah, let us grab some drink first, right? One thing that people missing out, they don't realize that upstairs, they have a very cool space for afternoon tea. Take a look at this. I would love to show you this. You can sip your drink and enjoy the canal, right? At the back end of Jim Thompson, this is Khong San Sap or Canal San Sap. Look over here, right? She walking around doing short form video for you guys, right? On TikTok and on Instagram. I'll find a seat somewhere here because I want to have a close look of Jim Thompson house.
So this is the most amazing afternoon tea box I ever had in my life. Look at it. So this set comes in 7 desserts and 4 canapes, and you have 14 options of tea to choose from, but you can only pick 2.
All right, that was a quick walk around of Jim Thompson. Unfortunately, I cannot film inside the museum. Yeah, I spent about 1 hour 20 minutes here. Yeah, most of my friends spend few hours here. Also, yeah, they got food. I think I will have some food here before I'm showing you something else. Let's see. I will eat here, right? The place called Jim Thompson, a Thai restaurant, right? A very fancy restaurant, even better than 5-star hotel, I would say. You can get to choose, right, between indoor with aircon, or you can sit outdoor and enjoy the views.
Basically, we use Iberico pork belly that we finish on the grill to make it slightly crispy, very juicy and tender. Napri capi that we make the relish with the dry shrimp, so it will be crispy. And then we have piparras, it's a pickled chili, and then we have shallots, pickled in cherry vinegar. Of course, we're gonna have actually it's a sourdough toast that we garnish with a Isan tomato relish that we grill the vegetables, very similar to escalivada salad from Spain. Then we put coconut cheese and mackerel, brine, pickled, and then preserved in olive oil. We suggest with your hands, 1 bite or 2 bites, as you prefer. And then for one of the mains, we're gonna have our bestseller. We have a squid pad thai. So we made a traditional pad thai with a squid sauce, and then we garnish with cashew nuts, piparras, pickled chili, chorizo, lime, and fried squid. And we finish on the top with botarga, which is a cured fish roll from mullet fish. So you have like mountain and seafood flavor combined in one dish. So this is gonna be our last main. Basically, we have a different version of the traditional massaman. So we make a parmentier, which is like a French-style potato puree, but we use sweet potato and season it with the massaman curry sauce. Then we have a baby lamb shank that we glaze it in a beef reduction, so it's like super glazed, sweet, and a little bit like thick. And then we have a fermented coconut cream with shallots that we glaze it with wine and a little bit of purple chips on the top. You can take it out very easy. It's cooked like super soft and tender.
I have to let the chef explain all the details of every dish for you, right? Because this is very advanced international Thai cuisine, fashion food, I would say, right? And by the way, this
is the most creative pad thai ever.
I never see pad thai in this form before my entire life, yeah? Maybe you want to come and try this pad thai. Right? We're soon going to let you know how good it is. But this one, right? Another good looking massaman or massaman curries. The chef said that you can literally like pull out the meat from the bone. Just like this. Not only food, right? They got very creative way of making ice cream and waffle, right? This one, the chef just tell me that it's more like, if you guys know gui buchi, right? Like bananas in coconut milk that Thai people eat after the meal for dessert, right? They kind of make that into this ice cream with some chocolate sauce and rum, yeah? They mention rum on it, so this would be my first ever bite of gui buchi ice cream. I can sense a lot of banana in it. And over here, when you go into the province of Phetchaburi, where Hua Hin is located, Thai people will bring back home what we call khanom mo gang. Yeah, it is what?
It's pudding with coconut cream.
Yeah, they kind of make waffle out of it. I believe the coconut thing is in the inner side. Bam, you take a bite right
Okay.
now.
This one you can use your hands.
อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก We are going to the museum, which is free, called the Museum About a Man. But right on that side is Jim Thompson's house.
Museum.
Yep, you have to pay for the ticket for 200 baht.
Right, but to go to the free museum upstairs, you're going to walk past this iconic Jim Thompson store.
Yep.
Yeah, you can enjoy top quality Thai silk dress and all the accessories. But this style here, right, should lead you up to the exhibition, the museum of the man, and some fabric exhibitions as well. This way. People start to leave, but you know they got a good bar on the second floor. Not many people know of. You basically need to order your drink using secret code.
Yep.
As you guys know, Jim Thompson used to work as a special agent.
It's called CIA right now, but it used to be called O.S.S, which comes from Office of Strategic Service.
It's very hard for us to memorize this sentence,
Yes.
but let me order the drink for you guys.
Let's go.
I need to spend some time on the menu because this is not like normal cocktail bar. Yeah? Basically, they have no ingredients on the drink you order, but they have a code for you here, right? As your menus: sweet, sour, spice, refreshing, creamy, whatsoever. And the drink divided by 4 chapters of Mr. Jim Thompson life. Early life, we got 2 drinks. Chapter 2, O.S.S. time, while he working as a CIA in the past, right? You got 4 options here. And the 3rd chapter would be why he was here in Thailand. I like the chapter name called A Dream Come True. 4 options. And the last chapter is this one, right? The unsolved mystery. He kind of disappeared while he walking in the woods in Malaysia. So I need some time to work out the menu, right? But you get to see.
So Pichon ordered Grand Papa, and the symbol said it's smooth and sweet. Here. Okay, Pichon, taste it. Is it smooth and sweet?
Let me try. Yes, it is smooth and sweet. Refreshing as well. I finished the whole cup in
I believe
2
him
seconds.
now. I believe you. Okay?
Bam order the drink from chapter 2, right? It's called C-47. This is the aircraft number where Mr. Jim Thompson flew to Thailand. The symbol here say it is fritzy and spirit forward. I'm not sure what this means. Bam. Wow. You have to smell it first.
ได้กินได้เหรอ
You can eat this paper on top. What is it? What is it?
It's paper
It's paper? Of course it's not.
but it does taste like paper
How's the
but this
drink?
one is very strong
Yeah.
I can get the taste of the alcohol oh maybe just one drink and I'm drunk so this one is the last one on chapter 4 called the unsolved mystery the name of this cocktail is called the Moonlight Cottage it's fizzy it's spirit forward and it's complex
Yes, and I like the name of it. They're coming with very creative name, right? Of this cottage where Mr. Jim Thompson last seen, right? He been disappeared in Cameron Island in Malaysia, right? They got the light underneath to symbol of Mr. Jim Thompson still here, and now he's gone.
อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
Ooh. I think gin lovers will love this one
Yeah, it's have like main base is gin tonic, right? The bartender guy just tell me, right? You guys been seeing enough of Bam, right? She been here for few video now. This is your new local friend called Lung, right? She here to make short form videos. Nowadays, friends from Thailand tend to make more short videos in TikTok and Instagram, right? Be sure to check that out as well. It's getting late. I need to get back home now, right? Before you leave, when you pay the bills, right? The bartender will give you a pin, a very unique pin that say O.S.S. Bangkok, right? This is the secret agent that Jim Thompson used to work with. So we are one of them now. You can take this as a souvenir. Alright, hope you like this video, right? This is going to be one of the best ultimate guide to Jim Thompson. There are many things for you to do, right? From 10 to 6, and after 6 you can come to this bar as well. They close at midnight. Okay, my name is CHON. This is Bam Bam, and this is Lung. Think of us as your local friend who will bring you the best of Bangkok and Thailand. Bye bye for now. สวัสดีครับ